How to activate Lowe's credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Lowe's card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up a web browser. On the web browser, simply search for Lowe's credit card activate or activate Lowe's credit card, and you'll find this website that says my Lowe's credit card. Open this website up. After you open this website, what you'll then need to do is right here you'll find activate your Lowe's credit card. So type in your card number here, whatever your card number is, then your security code as well. So let's tap here, tap on your security code and your 3-digit, the last 4-digit of your SSN. Then tap on activate my card. After doing that, you'll have activated your card. It can take some time, so just wait for some time. But after that, you're good to go. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.